Hey, this is Driving with Myles. We're going to talk about pulling out of a drive-through. Currently, I'm going to get the vehicle up to the edge of the road, and then we're going to be making a right turn. So wherever you're coming out of a drive-through, your mind is on your food, sticking french fries in your nose, drinking that milkshake. So you want to look, I'm going to make a right turn, so you want to look left, right, and left. I'm waiting for a gap. A gap is a space. Here's my gap. I'm gonna pull out very easily, and then I'm gonna accelerate. So I'm at about 50 miles an hour. I'm just scanning, looking around. I am in sport mode, so you can tell that the shifts are a bit firmer. Looking at my race page, it's just scanning. So I'm looking around, scanning. I'm at about 43 miles an hour, turning about 3,000 RPMs. The oil pressure's at 52. I'm gonna put it back to auto. So you can tell it downshifts and it holds the RPM a little bit longer. So I'm just cruising at 45 miles an hour, looking around, scanning. You always have to scan your mirrors. You always need to check what's behind you. I'm at about 47 miles an hour. This has an 8-speed transmission, so currently it's in 8 right now. It does have paddle shifters. If you want to see me using the paddle shifters, so those performance features, let me know. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I'm making a right turn up here, so you want to turn your blinker half a block, 100 feet. This is a protected left turn as well as right turn. You can turn on red if it's clear. So I missed my opportunity, which is fine. I'm waiting for a gap or a green light. When people learn how to drive, you're not sure. So literally, you've got to come up and look through your driver's side window and move forward. And this is the key. If you really want to learn how to drive, this is what you have to do. And you're just waiting patiently. You're scanning left, middle, right. The A pillar, which is right here, does block your view a little bit, but you have to learn to look around that. So here's my gap. It's now open, and I'm gonna make my turn. And I'm up to 50 miles an hour. I'm gonna turn on my right turn signal. I'm gonna gradually slow down, smooth and easy. I'm looking straight, and then I see the edge of the curb, and then I turn hand over hand into the turn, and I turn out hand over hand. I'm reducing speed. I'm going about 21 miles an hour. I'm dropping it down smoothly, taking my time scanning. While oil temperature is 201, battery voltage is 14.3, oil pressure is 30 pounds. Okay, and I'm gonna go to my other gauge, and this tells me more. If you are a technical person, let me know. I can do this kind of information. So I stop, I look, and I'm gonna go ahead and be patient a second. Our coolant temperature is 203, which is fine. Air intake temperature is 57 degrees, so the car will make more power because it's cooler out here. And then here's my gap. So I look, I turn hand over hand into the turn, and our trans temperature is 158, so it's not real warm. Just taking our time scanning. You want to scan, you want to look ahead, you want to make sure that you're looking at things safely. And I need to make a right turn here. We're just driving through a neighborhood working on right turns and left turns. I look, and then again I turn hand over hand into the turn, and then I turn out hand over hand. You want to have good smooth turns. So let's review. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. What I need you to do is subscribe to my channel. It's called Driving with Myles. I do driver's education tutorials. I teach segment 1, I teach segment 2. If you like this type of content and you want to see more of the technical side, the performance side, and being safe, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. I answer all questions. Thank you, and please give us a thumbs up. God bless you.